Hi, my name is Sophia, and I'm going to teach you how to do the twist braid. So you're going to separate the hair into 3 parts. Okay. Then you're just going to braid them. You continue this until the end. OMG! So, I'm going to stop right here. You're going to ponytail it. It makes it easier for me just to ponytail it right now. Doesn't really matter, but Lily's right. This is Lily. Now you're just gonna twist You're just gonna twist these.
This is Sophie.
You're just gonna twist these.
That's Sophie. And I'm
Lily. So now you're gonna take the ponytail off of the braid smoothly. Just gonna put it together. Then you're just gonna put that together and ponytail it.
Can I do it?
And that's and this is what it should look like. Bye.